I'm excited to share with you a scalping strategy that has proven to be effective in the market. It combines two powerful indicators that work together to help you make profitable trades. Strategy is versatile and applicable to any chart of your choice. However, for optimal results, I recommend using either the 15-minute or 5-minute time frame. For demonstration purpose, we'll be using the Bitcoin chart with a 15-minute time frame. And this video will go over all the important stuff you need to know, like the specific indicators we'll use and how to tweak them to match your trading style. Plus, we'll dive into the exact rules you should follow when putting the strategy into action. We'll also cover when and how to jump into trades and how to keep your risk in check with a stop loss and take profit orders. But don't worry, we won't just leave you there. To wrap things up, we'll show you how this strategy performs in real market conditions by doing a backtesting session. That way, you can see for yourself how it all plays out and decide if it is a good fit for your trading goals. So, now it's time to add the first indicator, the trend trigger factor, to the mix. Don't worry, it's an easy process. All you need to do is to navigate to the indicator section located at the top of the TradingView platform. Once you're there, just search for the name of the indicator, in this case, trend trigger factor. Once you're located it, simply add it to your chart. Great. Now that the trend trigger factor indicator is on your chart, we'll need to fine-tune its settings to fit our unique strategy. Just a heads up, we'll be using this indicator in a special way, different from how others might typically use it. So, to get the most out of this strategy, make sure to follow along closely as I walk you through each adjustments to the indicator settings. It's important to follow these steps precisely to ensure the indicator is optimized for a specific approach. Alright, with those adjustments in place, the trend trigger indicator is looking clean, simple, and easy to work with. It's a piece of cake. You'll notice that the oscillator contains two important components, the horizontal zero level or mid-level line and the dynamic TTF indicator that moves above and below the zero level. Here's how we'll use these lines to identify trading signals in this strategy. When the TTF line crosses above the zero level, it generates a buy signal indicating a potential opportunity to enter a long position. And conversely, when the TTF line crosses below the zero level, it creates a sell signal suggesting a possible opportunity to enter a short position. So, to better grasp how the trend trigger factor indicator works, let's examine a couple of examples together. In the first example, we can see that the TTF line has crossed the zero level downward. If we draw a vertical line at the crossover point, we can easily identify the corresponding signal candle on the chart, indicating the ideal entry point for a sell order. Now let's take a look at another scenario. Here the TTF line has crossed the zero level upward. By drawing a vertical line at the crossover, we can pinpoint the signal candle on the chart that presents a favorable opportunity to enter a buy order. Alright, while understanding the trend trigger factor is an essential part of the strategy, but it's important to note that there's more to achieve profitable trades. The strategy isn't complete just yet. We've got another powerful indicator up our sleeves. But before we dive into that, I want to share something with you. At TradeGenius, we've developed over 300 profitable trading strategies tailored to different trading styles. Our YouTube channel is jam-packed with valuable resources, so I highly recommend subscribing and exploring our content to find strategies that best align with your trading approach. And don't forget to hit that like button on this video if you found it helpful so far. Alright, back to the strategy. Now, moving on to the second indicator in our strategy, we'll be utilizing the Best Cloud OLMA indicator. This powerful tool can be easily added to your chart from the indicator section located at the top of the TradingView platform. Now that we've added the Best Cloud OLMA indicator to the chart, we need to optimize its parameters to ensure you get the most out of it. Follow along closely as I guide you through the process. The Best Cloud OLMA indicator serves as an excellent trend detector, offering a straightforward approach to identify market trends. To determine whether the trend is bullish or bearish, simply observe the color of the cloud and the position of the price candles relative to it. So when the cloud color is green and the price candles are trading above the green cloud, it indicates that the trend is bullish, a positive sign for buyers. This could present favorable opportunities for entering long positions as the market seems to be moving in an upward direction. On the other hand, when the cloud color is red and the price candles are trading below the red cloud, it suggests that the trend is bearish, a potentially profitable scenario for sellers. In this case, you might consider entering short positions as the market appears to be trending downward. Alright, now the trading rules. The trading rules for this strategy are incredibly straightforward, combining the power of the trend trigger factor oscillator and the Best Cloud OLMA indicator. Here's a simple breakdown of how to enter buy and sell trades using these two tools. Seek a bullish breakout of a zero level on the TTF oscillator, which signals an upward trend. Confirm this uptrend by ensuring that the signal candle's close price is above the green cloud on the Best Cloud OLMA indicator. So, when both conditions are met, you can confidently enter a buy trade. And to manage risk effectively, set your stop loss just below the recent swing low of the market. And for an optimal exit strategy, aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 to ensure better results while minimizing potential losses. So, for sell trades, identify a bearish breakout of a zero level on the TTF oscillator, indicating a potential downward trend. After that, verify this downtrend by checking that the signal candle's close price is below the red cloud on the best cloud OLMA indicator. With both criteria met, you can proceed with entering a sell trade. After that, to manage risk effectively, set your stop loss at the most recent swing high of the market, providing a low risk zone. For an optimal exit strategy, aim for a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Alright, now that we've gone over the ins and outs of buy and sell trade rules, let's jump right into the trailing backtesting results. We put the strategy to the test on the Bitcoin chart using a 15-minute time frame and the trusty risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 we talked about earlier. The outcome, we saw an impressive 70% win rate out of 100 trades and a whopping total profit of 109%. We ran this strategy for 8 weeks, and during this time, we witnessed an incredible streak of 6 consecutive wins against only 4 consecutive losses. But that's not all. The profit factor, which compares profit to loss, came in at a solid 3.5. And the max drawdown was a low 3.94%. Not too shabby, right? Now it's your turn to take the wheel and see how this strategy might work for you. With such promising results, there's plenty of potential to explore, possibly boost your own trading success. Give it a shot and see where it takes you.